Once you've created a job, you can easily update the site details later if needed. Here's how. Start by navigating to the job card. In the top left corner, head to the job summary section. If you need to switch to a different address entirely, click the X button in the site address section. From there, you can choose same address as the customer, add a new site contact and address, or search for an existing site. If you just need to make changes to the current site address details, click the site address hyperlink instead. This will take you to the site page where the Contacts tab is shown by default. To update the address, click Address in the left-hand menu. Here, you can edit both the site address and postal address. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Remember, any updates made here will automatically apply to all jobs associated with this site address. And that's it. Updating site details is simple and straightforward.